Hello student, myself IT Valvi sir. Today we learn subject Organization of Commerce and Management Standard 12th, Chapter 1st, Principles of Management. We see the next point 1.4, Significance of Management Principles. As we have discussed the nature of principles of management, it can be said that management principles are applicable everywhere. They are in the form of predetermined solutions for the problems which are recurring. They are guiding the managers, so it is important for every manager to know them. In every types of organization or in group activity, one need to apply principles according to nature, size and requirements of the organization. These principles are tested and practiced worldwide from many years. Therefore, it is important to study the significance or importance of management principles with the help of the following facts. We see the first significance of management principles provides useful insight to managers. The principles of management help the managers to understand the organization. The study of the principles helps to improve the understanding of the situations and problems. It further helps the manager to find out the solutions to the problems and handling situations. Management principles are an outcome of the experience of various professional people. The use of these principles is helping managers about the manager in which he should act in different situations. These types of timely guidance reduces the wastages of resources and the goals can be achieved in appropriate manners. Second significance of management principles helpful in efficient utilizations of resources. In every organization, two types of resources are used, that is physical resources, it means material, machines and money, etc., and another human resources, that means manpower. The basic functions of management is to make proper balance between these resources by putting them to optimum use and control on wastages of resources. While maintaining discipline and healthy working environment, management always uses techniques and principles. It helps in establishing cordial relationship between management and employees, which increases the efficiency level of employees and also affects the effective administration. For example, use of standard tools and machinery help in increasing quality or productivity as well as in increasing level of efficiency of human resources. Third significance of management principles, scientific decisions. In business organization, a scientific decisions means systematic or balanced decision. Principles train the managers to handle critical situation tactfully. Otherwise, the managers have to work always with trial and error method. With the use of various management principles, one can get an idea about how to analyze the situations, to search alternative options and their results. Fourth significance of management principles, understanding social responsibility. Management principles are based on every aspect of organization. They are not developed only from viewpoint of handling the resources effectively, but they guide management in understanding social responsibility of organization so that they can focus on providing quality products at reasonable prices, avoiding artificial monopolistic situations in market. Fair competition, fair remuneration, changes in environment, healthy working places, standard tools and machinery, etc. Next, fifth significance of management principles: encourages research and development. Principles of management are dynamic. Their nature goes on changing along with the changes in the business world. Over the years, they have developed to suit the current need. It enables the managers to bring consistent improvement in them. Management adopt new trends at working place automatically. This guideline help management to make comparisons of used principles with its expected outcome. If needed, management can modify the principles according to situation, as the management is having liberty to take the decisions at their own. This training helps in developing scientific approach towards research and development and growth and development of organization. For example, research and development department always work on finding new techniques in the field of production, finance, marketing, human resources, etc. Next, sixth significance of management principles: help to coordinate and control. Management principles are the guideline for better coordination and control. It is very challenging to create coordination and cooperation among different employees working in different departments. It is also difficult task for manager to keep control on the performances of employees. Management principles offer suitable systems while establishing coordination and control. Next, seven significance of management principles: develops objective approach. With the help of various principles of management, one can develop an objectives approach. Manager can identify the business opportunities, root causes of the problems in correct manner, and can provide appropriate solutions on it. It builds confidence in the minds of the managers. Thank you very much.